Hey guys, it's Jessa and this is a template tutorial. I can't wait to show you around one of my favourite pieces of software for stationery editing. Just before I jump in, I wanted to let you know that I am actually using a Firefox browser on a Windows computer. If you are a Mac user and you hear me say the word control, for you it will be command. And just quickly, this tutorial is actually not for mobile or tablet users, sorry.
In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use hue and saturation in Templett. So this is great if you have like a watercolor background like this and you wanted to change it to like pink, for example. So what you do is you open up your design, it'll appear in the middle of the screen. You click on the part of the design that you want to change. In this instance, it's going to be the watercolor. Now at the top, you'll see there's this little filter option. If you click that, it'll bring up a panel here. Now we've got hue, brightness, contrast, saturation, and blur. So the one that we're going to be looking at today is hue. And if I drag that along, you can see how it changes the color. And there's the pink if I wanted it. Now we can also play with the saturation. So the lower that you drag this, the more gray that it's going to be. And the higher you drag it, the more intense the color is going to be. We can also flip on grayscale if we want to. So lots of great options there to sort of play around the colors and tweak them so they're a little bit more personalized to what you need.
Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope it was helpful. This tutorial is actually part of a series, so if you jump on over to my channel, I've set it up as a playlist. Finally, if you have any questions or have an idea for a video you would love me to make, please drop them in the comments below.